how we work. Top lawyers from all across India. Department of Lawyers, the unique platform where skilled lawyers join forces to handle one pro bono case a year. We maintain strict confidentiality and let you choose top lawyers from various fields for easy access. Experience justice in action with LegalMinds, where expertise comes together for powerful legal outcomes. Free response from a lawyer within 24/7. Legal Community coming soon, a groundbreaking platform uniting law students and professionals nationwide. Celebrate triumphant cases with lawyer accolades. Showcase degrees and accomplishments to build credibility. Ignite aspiring lawyers via internship openings. Diverse perspectives on pivotal cases from across India. Empower your legal journey with a connected community. Quiz coming soon. Discover Legal Genius Quiz, where expertise meets speed. Comprehensive challenge. Engage with questions spanning all legal sectors, from easy to advanced levels. Speedy Triumph. Race against the clock, combining accuracy with swiftness to dominate the leaderboard. Elite Legal Minds. Identify top performers, spotlighting exceptional law students and professionals. Learn as you compete. Elevate your legal acumen through engaging competition. Ascend the ranks, gauge your nationwide standing, and showcase your legal prowess. Join Legal Genius Quiz today. Ignite your legal brilliance. Blog. Welcome to Legal Eminent Blogs, where ideas unite and brilliance shines. Explore a platform where legal minds, both practitioners and students, share insights, fostering in-depth discussions on specific topics. Honoring remarkable voices, recognize standout contributors for their expertise and thoughts. Monthly excellence. From a pool of 100+ submissions, the top 5 blogs are showcased, ensuring only the finest content. Join Legal Eminent Blogs today, illuminating legal discourse together. Subscribe or stay informed and never miss out on your achievements and essential updates through our platform. Subscribe now.